coming to you live today. Brought this one in from our shop in town. This was a road rally car that someone lost interest in. About a 69 Austin Healey. As you can tell, it has a little bit of body damage. And here's the thing. This car was fresh painted, ready to be put into the track, and I'm actually glad it's damaged. Not so much that someone messed up the beautiful lines, but here's why I'm glad it's damaged. My backup tow driver was working on his personal vehicle. He was laying under it. Thing jumped into gear and took off and almost killed him. This is the aftermath. I'd rather have a wrecked car than a dead friend. It sucks because this was a beautiful little car. I would love to go rally racing with this thing. They were right down to putting this thing together. They had it painted, mocked up, ready to go. And then apparently I think they lost their sponsorship. But we've got a V6 Pontiac out here that would really look nice under this hood. And this thing's just got gorgeous body lines. Even though it's got a crashed up fender, someone's got to take it off, beat it out. But it gives the car a little bit of character. I see this thing in Vegas at the round track, doing some road rally. All the hard stuff's been done, and you can't really tell because of the dirt on it, but this is a beautiful purple paint job. I really have a soft spot for this little thing. Sucks that it got hit, but fenders can be resurrected, friends can't. Anyways, you're out in the LNL Classic area and you want a road rally car. We've got a lot of good options out here. This one's already got the cage. And I think that someone needs to take this home and give us some love. Anyway, you're out in the LNL Classic area. Come see us. As always, God bless. Be safe. Keep it between the ditches.